In a cryobank, even the smallest issue can compromise operator safety, the integrity of unique biological samples, and their critical electronic data. That's why maintaining real-time control over all operational parameters is absolutely essential. Only a system specifically engineered for these demanding environments can comprehensively monitor every aspect, anticipate potential risks, and, most importantly, respond instantly. With over 25 years of experience and more than 400 installations worldwide, SINTESY.eagle.cryo is the trusted solution. SINTESY.eagle.cryo is a medical device certified system specifically engineered to automate all critical processes within a cryobank. It controls the cooldown of multiple cryogenic lines and sequences the filling of freezers, authorizing filling operations only after confirming the lines are properly filled with liquid nitrogen. The system dynamically regulates the number of active units to maintain stable pressure within the vacuum-insulated lines and the external bulk tank. It continuously monitors temperatures, nitrogen levels, filling requests, lid status, and any alarms for each individual cryogenic freezer. All data is automatically logged, continuously monitored, and accessible in real time, both locally and remotely. Uniquely on the market, it supports cryogenic freezers from multiple brands and models without any hardware modifications, leveraging original communication protocols while preserving full compatibility, manufacturer warranties, and certifications. Thanks to S310 CryoLink, the system offers the flexibility to effortlessly relocate cryofreezers of different brands within the cryobank with just a few taps on the LCD screen. Replacing an old freezer is seamless, and upgrading to a new model incurs no additional cost. The S210 smart sensor continuously monitors the oxygen level in the environment in real time. If the level falls below the pre-alarm threshold, the system automatically activates emergency ventilation and visual/acoustic alerts, both inside and outside the storage areas. If the oxygen concentration drops further below the emergency threshold, the system stops all filling operations and automatically sends alarms via SMS, email, or phone calls to the relevant operators. The S140 LTE module ensures alarm transmission even in the absence of a server or local network, guaranteeing reliable and continuous communication. Access to cryopreservation areas is managed by an access control system fully integrated with the SINTESY.eagle.cryo software. The system also includes a video recording module that activates automatically during any alarm situation, providing additional visual data for thorough analysis of the events. Operator safety is further ensured with emergency push buttons, watchdog systems, and man-down monitoring. SINTESY.eagle.cryo is developed following the rigorous risk analysis standards of ISO 14971. At Sintesy, our engineers live by one motto: safety first. With the SINTESY.eagle Trace software module, every biological sample has a complete digital record: temperature, level, alarm history, and location inside cryogenic freezers. For example, each vial is identified by the coordinates of the freezer, the rack level, and the X and Y position within the box. Every event related to the biological sample is recorded: insertion, extraction, type of handling, operator, and timestamp. The interface is fully web-based, accessible from any browser, and across different departments. It supports multiple users and languages and complies with the highest traceability standards: ISBT 128, GAAMP, CFR 21. Part 11. Everything is always under control. SINTESY.eagle.cryo is managed through a 3D dashboard that replicates the entire cryobank in real time. Temperature, levels, pressures, access, alarms, all at a glance. Secure remote access via a certified platform from any workstation. Technical support guaranteed. No risk to your IT infrastructure. Total control wherever you are. One system to automate, protect, control, and document. SINTESY.eagle.cryo integrates liquid nitrogen filling, biological sample security, access control, supervision, traceability, video recording, environmental safety, and, most importantly, real-time alarm management. Certified, reliable, continuously evolving. Your Cryobank, your precious biological samples. Safe, always.